Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, taking a look at the forecast here for us now. We're looking outside the home view, and it is nice. We've got partly cloudy conditions for us and a lot of that sun breaking in. We've got temperatures for us that have been toasty again today, but there's good news on that side of the forecast. Relief is on the way. 89 right now in Lexington, 90 there in Richmond, but it feels like the mid to upper 90s and over 100 in Frankfort. That heat index is still up. Our heat advisory ends at 8 p.m. tonight, but it's still going to be hot tomorrow. Yes, there is a cold front that is working through, but it's going to take a good chunk of the day on Thursday to get here and actually start impacting our temperatures. Now, you are going to notice a little cooler temperatures tomorrow, ever so slightly, because cloud cover is going to pick up. So it's going to be hard to get to 90 again tomorrow afternoon. The heat index will likely stay in the mid to upper 90s for us, but a high temperature near 90 on Thursday will quickly translate to a high temp near 80 for Friday. So our temperatures are going to tumble, and that cold front is going to work on us in a big way. It's also going to help us out a lot in terms of how much our muggy meter is going to crash. We've got that cold front dropping through, stalls out, but then a new front and a new low come through with it to push all that very humid air out of the area. You'll notice here, though, that that pleasant air comes in out of the northeast, but it really doesn't get here till late Friday and into early Saturday, so the humidity slowly fades away on Friday, even though we take a good 10-degree drop in our high temperature by the afternoon. You're really going to notice that pleasant air through the weekend. Now, here's our cold front again on satellite and radar. Everything underneath that right now is clear. There's been some storms in the upslopes of some higher elevations. We had just a few in southeastern Kentucky, but there's the low near Wichita right now, working its way with that stationary front in Missouri. That is going to work our direction for tomorrow, and it's not until it gets all the way through that, again, we see the chance for some of those storms to pop up. Now, not expecting anything severe, but a couple of strong storms will be possible for us. That cold front is dropping in, and you'll notice that as that low pulls in out of the west, some of those storms kicking up to the north. This is 9 a.m. on Thursday. Can't rule out a couple of spotty chances early on. Models have been struggling with holding where and when and what, but notice this is 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and finally the lift we need is starting to enter the state. So mid to late afternoon and into the evening, our best chance for a bit of a broken line of scattered showers and thunderstorms. It expands a little bit more further south and east through Thursday night, and then we'll see a lot of those storm chances wrap up in the overnight with a stray shower or two early Friday morning, then a general mostly cloudy to eventually clearing trend throughout the day on Friday and into Friday night. The weekend looks spectacular. 82 on Saturday, partly cloudy, 83 on Sunday, pleasant, comfortable. A stray shower can't be ruled out, but for the most part, our forecast is dialed in very nicely for early parts of next week as well. We do see temperatures start to climb again, but they're going to be near average for us through the middle of next week. 88 and toasty once more by Wednesday.